Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about range-based for loop. The sole purpose of range-based for loop is to work with collections such as array and vectors. And the syntax of range-based for loop is, first we have the for keyword, and inside the parentheses we have the variable declaration, and after the colon we have the collection, and the collection can be one array or one vector. And for every element of the collection the loop will iterate and the value will be assigned to the variable, and this way we can effectively access all the elements of the collection. So in this example program, inside the main method we have one integer array with some array elements. Now we can use the range based for loop and we can very efficiently access those array elements. So now I'm gonna create one range based for loop. So first we have the for keyword, and inside the parentheses first we have the variable declaration. So I'm gonna create one variable integer I, and after the colon we have the name of the array. And inside the for loop, in every iteration I'm gonna print the individual array elements along with one space. So for every iteration of the for loop, the individual array elements will be assigned to the variable I. So in the first iteration the element 1 will be assigned to the variable I, and then we are using the cout to print that element onto the console. So in the first iteration it will print the first element 1 onto the console. In the second iteration the element 2 will be assigned to the variable I, so it will print 2 onto the console. And in the third iteration the element 3 will be assigned to the variable I, so it will print 3 onto the console. And this way it will iterate through the array elements and it will print those elements onto the console. And at the end of the loop we're gonna have this output onto the console. So now I'm gonna save this program and I'm gonna run the program, and you can see the output. We have printed the array elements onto the console. So this way we can use the range based for loop and we can iterate through the array elements very efficiently. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.